How to promote Clickbank products. In the previous video on Clickbank, we discussed in detail the highest commission paying affiliate network Clickbank, its business model, how to select a product, and free and paid marketing. If you have not watched that video, make sure to watch it as the link is attached in the description section. Welcome to another video on the Clickbank series. In this video, we will be discussing the ways to promote Clickbank products on different platforms and make the best money out of them. We will also talk about ways that Clickbank itself recommends marketing the product. Not only this, I will be sharing any secret tips for each platform so that you guys may make the maximum possible earnings. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to my technical solution and press the bell icon, as I will be bringing more videos on Clickbank and quick ways to make money. Let's start this video. You guys must be thinking that why I prefer Clickbank over all other platforms. That is because they are like an affiliate dream for every affiliate marketer. Well, not only do they pay the highest commission, but they care about their customers as well. Before we get into how to promote Clickbank products, we will cover the benefits of this platform. After all, you will be investing your time, so this is important for you to know about their assets and how you can benefit from them. Number 1. This platform gives up to 90% commission on a single sale. This is exceptionally high, and this is because most of their products are digital and don't cost a lot to develop. Number 2. They are global, having a network in over 200 countries, and they provide with best customer support. Number 3. They provide recurring commission. This means multiple commission on sale of each product, and it generates ongoing passive income for you. Number 4. Best thing about Clickbank is they offer a 60-day cookie policy. Well, this is the best feature, as if someone checks your product once and makes a purchase after 60 days, you will still get a commission. Other affiliate platforms don't provide this much facility to customers. Clickbank is best for beginners as they have a very low barrier to add a maximum number of products. There are more features that make Clickbank the most favorite to affiliate marketers. But before that, let me tell you guys how you will be bringing traffic to your affiliate links and conversion to your products. Number 1. Write a blog. The most basic, the most tried, the true approach to getting organic traffic to your affiliate link. Making a blog means selling through Google, and we all know the potential that Google has millions of visitors. First of all, you have to select a niche, then write a variety of blog posts and engaging articles that make users click on your links. The best article formats are products reviews, product rating and ranking, product comparisons. These type of blog posts are naturally engaging and you can insert your links into them easily. Honest and natural reviews and ratings will make readers enjoy your content, provides higher chances of sharing your articles, and have higher click-through rates. I suggest you make a comprehensive strategy before you start writing about your products and writing SEO optimized articles. SEO tips for your blog. Your affiliate blog without the right SEO is useless. SEO is the major source of organic traffic to your blog. SEO is search engine optimization, and it increases the ranking factors and discoverability of your blog when user searches. Here is the must-to-do SEO checklist. Your blog must have a pillar article. This is the main article that your other content links to. Embed your articles with long-tail keywords as they have less competition. Optimize your blog's page speed and logging time. Make quality backlinks. Above all, your content should be valuable and shareable. Just don't make it look like a sale pitch. We will talk in detail about how to do SEO of your affiliate blog in another video. Number 2. Start a Clickbank YouTube channel. Another way to promote your Clickbank product is by starting an affiliate YouTube channel. What type of video products you will be making on YouTube? Here are my guidelines. For the promotion of affiliate products on YouTube, you can make products unboxing videos, product comparisons, reviews, rankings, and collaboration with experts. YouTube is not much saturated yet in contrast to blogs, but speaking of facts, YouTube videos can be ranked at the top by proper SEO. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags, and don't forget to add intros and outros. Don't forget to include a call to action (CTA) and remind your viewers where to click. You can direct users by flashing the call to action buttons that should be linked in your description. This will boost your chances of a sale. Not only this, you can earn from the channel if you get it monetized. Number 3. Promote Clickbank products on Facebook and forums. This is the free source of traffic to your affiliate links, and at the same time it requires the least effort. Create your Facebook pages and groups and start interacting with people that are interested in the niche. This is like having your traffic bank. Share your reviews with them and you may gain a sale or two for such followers. Or you can engage people by making forum profiles like on question answer sites like Quora. Answer questions related to your product and grow your reputation. You can post articles enriched with your affiliate links as well. Last but not the least, my advice to you is to share a valuable, shareable, and original content that should be linked to your other blog or YouTube video. This way you will add value to others and it will bring a lot of organic traffic. In fact, memes and funny content can bring you lots of sales as this content is shared by maximum people. Number 4. Instagram and Pinterest. Both of these have the most educated and highly engaged traffic. Instagram is best for influencers. To get big and grow on Instagram, choose a niche and create quality content regularly. Engage your followers, use hashtags, and you can post product videos in Instagram Reels. More the followers and engagements, more will be sales. For Pinterest, the basics are the same, but this platform is easy as you don't need to cope with algorithm and SEO stuff. You make your pin and attach your affiliate link to it along with a catchy photo. You can join group boards to boost your pins. And you can drive organic traffic from Instagram and Pinterest to your blog or landing page. Number 5. Promote Clickbank products on TikTok. TikTok recently surpassed Google as the most popular website of the year. This platform has a lot of potential and this is the best to grab attention. You can go viral in niche like spirituality, weight loss, and workout. Just like other platforms, your video should be engaging and it should have engaging content. Number 6. Promote products by building an email list. With all the glamour of social media, email marketing may seem a bit older, but this is very relevant. Email marketing is an active and personal way of communication. You have to write engaging emails that don't sound spammy, and then you can use software like HubSpot to send thousands of emails. Other paid ways to promote your affiliate products are Google Ads, Facebook, and YouTube ads, and paid sponsors. We will talk in detail about them in another video. Here is my experience tip for you guys. To sell maximum using all the methods, always choose a niche you are passionate about. Sales are maximum when you involve them with people's emotions and feelings. Just add these ingredients to your content. Of course, content is one that will be bringing the traffic. So, which one you have selected to promote your products? Are you going to start a blog or a YouTube channel? Tell us in the comment section. This was all for today. See you in another video. Thanks for watching.